Well, good day to you. My name is Greg Downing. I am with Texas Medicare Advisors here in beautiful Austin, Texas. I'm a licensed insurance agent that's specializing in helping individuals sign up for Medicare and then finding the right Medicare supplement plan at the right price. Now, if you are just now turning 65, congratulations, because you are now eligible for Medicare. Now, if you're like most folks, you're wondering, well, what all am I supposed to sign up for? What parts and plans will be best for me? And more importantly, who do I need to talk to and who can help me with that? Well, I've got good news for you because I have put together what I believe is the simplest, easiest way to sign up for these programs and save money. And that's by using my Route 65 Savings Badge. Just use the acronyms and they'll walk you through what and when you need to do it. Like you're going to need to get Medicare Part B and Medicare Part A, as well as Medicare Part D and Medigap Plan G or Medicare Supplement Plan G, and of course, you need to be educated. Now, let's take a closer look at each one of these and exactly what they need and why you must have them. Part B. Now, this is a government program that's designed to provide coverage for things like doctor visits, preventive care, and ambulance services. Now, you just don't automatically get this. You're going to have to call Social Security Administration or go online and sign up. You can even go down to your local office and get this taken care of. I recommend you do this at least 3 months or 3 months before your 65th birthday. Now, it's not free, but it is reasonably priced. Most folks are just going to pay $104.90 a month for their Part B Medicare. Now, if you do realize, and you'll see here that Part D, whoa, I wasn't expecting that. There goes the ambulance. That Part B does have a deductible of $147 this year, as well as co-pays and co-insurance. So it doesn't completely cover everything, but it does provide you great coverage. Now, Part A, Medicare Part A, you guessed it. It covers hospitalization care as well as skilled nursing care and home health services and additional services. Now, most folks are going to be able to get Part A for free as long as you have earned at least 40 credit hours, which is about the same as working 10 full years, or your spouse has. Now, again, Part A doesn't cover everything. It's got a deductible. You can see here it's $1,260. Plus, there's also co-insurance and co-pays that can get rather expensive if you do have a major event. Now, Part D. Again, Medicare Part D is a government program, but it is administered by individual or private health insurance companies. Now, one thing I found is most people don't have the proper plan or are paying more than they should for their Part D. But I don't want that to happen to you, so I'm going to show you a way that you can make sure you have the best Medicare Part B supplement plan for you. And that's to go right to Medicare.gov. Now, this is the government website, and all you need to do is click on the tab that says Find Drug Plans. And when you get there, they're going to ask you to enter in your zip code and the prescriptions you're taking, and it will actually show you. Now, think about this. In Texas, we got 32 plans to choose from. Do you really think you could sort that on your own? I couldn't. I know that. So, of the 32 plans that are available here in Texas, it will show you the most cost effective based upon your premium and your copays. It'll give you an annual cost, and then you can divide that and says, hey, that's how much your cost is going to be for prescription based upon what you're taking now. Now, if you're like some people and you don't want to do that on the internet, well, guess what? You can call Medicare 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, and they will help you. So you can do that, and they can walk you right through it. So if it's 3 o'clock in the morning and you want to get it taken care of, you can get her done that way. And I recommend that you do this every year because plans change, your prescription needs change, and this way you know you will be getting the best deal and the best bang for your buck. Now there are some people that say, "Hey, I don't even take prescription drugs. Why would I want to buy this?" Well, there is a penalty if you do not have a Part D plan. Not going to go into that. All I'm going to tell you is I would prefer you buy a plan even if you don't need it, because you never know what's going to happen over the course of the year, and you can get the cheapest plan is about 16 bucks a month. So there's your plan D. Now if you'll notice, we've gone BAD, and I'm going to tell you what, it's not that bad, is it? No, it's not. And these are things you can do all by yourself. You do not need an independent agent or somebody to sell you any of these things. You can do it all on your own. But where you are going to want the assistance of a independent agent that specializes in Medicare plans is when you go to get your supplements. And speaking of supplements, let's just go right to G. I believe Plan G, Supplement Plan G, is the best plan. It's exactly what I would sign up. I would sign up for this plan. Now, why would I do that? Well, it's the best bang for my buck or your buck. And Plan G covers almost all the gaps in parts A, B, and Medicare, such as the deductibles, co-pays, co-insurance, excess charges, which a lot of people don't think about, and foreign travel. Now, the only thing that the only thing that Part G doesn't cover is the $147 deductible on your Part B. But when you crunch the numbers on all the plans, I'm going to tell you G's the winner 9 times out of 10. All right, and of course, you need education. What I'm going to tell you right now is if you're not using the official 2015 Medigap guide from CMS, that's the information you need to know. Everyone should be instructing and teaching you from that guideline. And also, it is very important that you sign up during your open enrollment period when you turn 65. If you don't, it could cost you a lot of money and you may not get the plan that you want. Now, why is it important to use an independent agent? Well, as you see, we'll turn flips around for you to get your business and make sure you get the right plan. But there's lots of reasons. I'm not going to go into them all, but you need to study why you should use an independent agent. Other than they're going to save you money. All right, now that's what you've got. Bottom line, well, hello, is I don't want you to spend any more money than you have to. There's no need to. When you learn more about this, you will save money, and I'll show you how to do it. So if you want any help, I would urge you to give me a call. By the way, my service is completely free. Costs you zip, zero, nothing. But if you don't use my service, it may cost you a little bit more money than you anticipated. So feel free to give me a call or come by our office, and we would love to help you find the right plan at the right place. You have a fabulous day, and I look forward to visiting with you.